spirit like a memory walking, flicker like a signal broken. Cut you from the earth that binds you, strung like a martyr on the web and wire. Static on the line, on the line, on the line, stirring in the stirring in the stirring in the half light. Find the dismal guys that hold too much, do not belong, and do not touch you. For this ghost is gone again, but memory still remains, sleeping deep beneath the soil. In humid coil, we are falling open, this ghost is broken. The hum of the grid, of the grid, of the grid, drowning out the words of the indignant dead. Radio, radio, amnesia, smell of ozone, transmission lost. So this ghost is gone again. Brittle wings of memory things, drowsing the eve of hive and drone. The sigh of unknown. We are falling open, this ghost is broken.